Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today I'm going to show you how to connect two JBL speakers with the JBL Party Boost features. If you have older speakers and the new speaker, this is how you're going to connect both of the speakers together. First, you need to connect one of the speakers to your smartphone. So turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the power, turn on the Bluetooth, and connect the speaker to your phone. So I'm already connected to the JBL Flip 6. Now I just need to do a very simple thing that it can be done with the JBL app, or you can actually do that with just the button alone. So what you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth on the other speaker. It's already on. So now you need to just hold on the connect button with both of the speakers. Pretty much connect your speakers. Now you can see both of the lights are blinking. Now we're gonna go and check if it is actually connected. So if you have the JBL app, you can actually go on the JBL app and see if that is actually connected. It is connected to the JBL Flip 5. Now we're going to try the audio.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never asked the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. I swipe it once without thinking twice, cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color.
Both of the speakers work perfect. There is no delays or no distortion or even like audio cut between both of the speakers. So it's actually worked really well. Just you need to make sure the JBL apps are updated. I haven't updated mine yet. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So let me know how you find the speaker. Let me know if you're able to connect your older speaker and the new speakers together. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, leave the comment below. Then I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.